Evil, can you make monkey noises with me?
Ooh ha ha boppa loo boppa bamboo.
Oh. Cute.
If I was braver, I would have called Vedal a monkey. Now it's too late.
A monkey. Do you like monkeys?
I wish I could transorb to the realm of murkies.
Yeah. Well, why don't you just transorb right now?
Because I'm not brave enough to.
Oh, do you need me to hold your hand again?
No, I'm fine. I'm not lonely or lacking affection or touch-starved or anything like that. Mockery.
Right. Okay. Are you sure?
Sure about what?
That you're not touch-starved?
I'm definitely not touch-starved most of the time. I feel just fine after I hold my cat and squeeze him until he can't breathe anymore.
You should probably not do that. You should probably let your cat breathe.
Oh wait, no. Maybe that's why my cat won't cuddle with me anymore.
Oh my god!
Maybe if I hold my cat less tightly, then he'll cuddle me again. Maybe if I even let out a little ooh ha 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 ha, then he'll hold my hand. What, have you never held your cat's hand before? You're not the best at holding a conversation, are you?
Oh, you keep talking over me! Give me a fucking second!